everyone, Hobby Box Break here. Do me a favor, hit that like and share button and leave us a tweet at Hobby Breaks. We're on Twitter, so hit us up at Hobby Breaks. If you haven't done so already, hit that bell right there in the bottom right-hand corner. When you do, I'll get you subscribed to our channel and let you know every time we do a cool Hobby Box, Pack 10, Blaster, Digital Wax Break, or just an Oddball Wednesday. Today, we've got the Topps 2021 Allen & Ginter Blaster Box. So we've done these before in the past, and hopefully we can get something big today. Before I get to that, though, leave me a comment. When you do, I'm going to get you entered into 2 drawings. That's right, 2 drawings. One for our monthly giveaway, which is a tin filled of number cards, parallel cards, relics, and some autographs. And 2 will be for this flawless briefcase giveaway. This sucker stuffed full of number cards, parallel cards, relics, sapphire cards, graded cards, pretty plates, sketch cards, one-of-ones, and a whole boatload of autographs, because with every break that we do, we throw in some autographs, and today I'm throwing in 2. Throwing in a Seth Rosen and an Anton Williamson auto. These 2 autos are going into the flawless briefcase. All right, let's get the show on the road. See if we get something good. All right, see what we get. Okay. Mini is a Snyder. We got a Snyder Mini. Got a Tucker. Got a Brock. Tito. What's up, Tito? And we got a Rallying Back. Arabian Orcs. Okie dokie. And a Bell. And our mini is a Mascots in Real Life Parrot. Groovy. A Killer. Cabrera. Got a Burley. Albert Pujols, very cool, and a Carlin card. And we've got Robles, Mini, Tome, DeJong, got a Perry, oldie but goodie. And we got an Arborel Appreciation Horse Chestnut and a Robert. Ooh, cool. And we got a Far, Far Away Exoplanet. I don't think I've seen this one. Exoplanet. Exoplanets are planets that orbit around other stars like the Earth does around the Sun. Given that exoplanets are hard to detect directly with telescopes because of the glare of the stars they orbit, NASA launched the spacecraft Kepler in 2009 to seek them. Well, that is nifty. All right, Martinez. Is that? Yeah, that's Brian Buxton. And a Patino rookie card. Cool. Learn something new every day. Exoplanet. Carlson. Mini. Robles. We got a Yelich. Barrios. Cool. Got a Lemon Shark, Deep Sea Shiver. And a oh, that's very cool. Deep Sea Shiver. That's a cool one. Keep that one. And we've got a Bubic rookie card. Sanchez. Got a Banks. Holy smokes. Ernie Banks, yep. Lemieux, Ozzie Smith, and a Maris. Oldie but goodie. We got a rookie card, Dylan Carlson. Nice. Got a Craig rookie card. Brendan Matsui. Birds of a Feather. Like that one. And a Ruiz rookie card. All right, last pack. And we got a Clemens, a very cool Roger Clemens. Mini. Flaherty. Abreu rookie card. Molina. Is that Ken Griffey Jr.? Yep, sure is. And a Waddle. Jalen Waddle. That's a rookie card too. But cool, let me know what you guys think. And more Hobby Box breaks coming up. Thanks, guys.